The first stage of construction calls for shafts to be sunk at each end of the intended drive, usually at manhole positions. On one end, a drive shaft, and on the other, a reception shaft. The drive shaft marks the beginning of the drive. The drive shaft may be circular, oval, square, or rectangular, but it must be long enough to accommodate the tunneling equipment, specifically the combined length of the thrust wall, hydraulic jacking system, microtunnel machine or pipe, whichever is longer, and entrance ring. The reception shaft, on the other hand, need only be large enough to accommodate removal of the microtunnel machine. There are several different methods of shaft construction, including sheet piling, liner plate, soldier piles and sheeting, corrugated metal pipe, segmental lining, precast or cast in situ caissons, and shallow trench-sheeted or timber-supported excavation. In some cases, ground treatment may be required to permit shaft construction. Ground treatments include well pointing and deep wells, chemical stabilization, and in very difficult conditions, ground freezing. The method of shaft construction is often determined by the specific requirements of the project. However, contractor preference, economics, and ground conditions also play major roles. After completion of the shaft walls, final preparations to the drive shaft consist of pouring a concrete base slab to support the tunneling equipment, constructing a thrust wall when necessary to provide a reaction against which the pipe is jacked, and installing an entrance ring through which the microtunnel machine and pipe will pass as they enter the earth. Depending upon the ground conditions, measures such as ground treatment or grouting may be required immediately outside the entrance ring to prevent ingress of ground during launching of the microtunnel machine.